What's your name?
Petra the Parrot.
Petra, where's your laser?
Bounce. Bam, bam, bounce. Bam, bam. Woo! Alexa, all light on. Okay.
Okay.
Alexa, all light on.
Okay.
Good morning.
How are you doing today?
Petra, what's the dog say?
What? What's the dog say?
Woof woof.
Hello? Don't bite.
Yeah, you don't bite.
Petra, what do you say you're sorry? Petra, sorry.
Petra, where are you?
Peekaboo. Where are you?
Peekaboo. Where are African greys from? Africa.
Alexa, tell me about African greys.
I didn't catch that.
What the pig say?
Pig says oink oink.
What you doing?
I'm talking to you.
Oh, you're so cute.
Thank you.
Scratch, scratch, scratch.
Scratch, scratch, scratch.
You're so cute.
You're so cute. Cute, 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 cute.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good girl, Petra.
Good girl, Petra. Go potty.
What do you want? Hello? Hello there. Oh, good kiss.
Good kiss. Mwah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Petra, what do you want for Christmas?
Wrapping up. Petra,
Petra, yes. What do you have to say about your newfound fame?
Petra, what up, you know? Alexa, tell me about the rock.
Dwayne Douglas Johnson, also known by his ring name The Rock, is an American actor, producer, and professional wrestler.
Alexa, woof woof. Alexa, tell me about.
In heavily populated areas, it is much more likely to rain on Saturday than on Monday because of the pollution that builds up over a week of commuter traffic.
Alexa, hello.
Hi there.
Alexa, Top Rock.
The station Top Rock from Amazon Music.
What do you want? Do you want fresh water? You know, say you're sorry. Do you want fresh water? Alexa, how are you hello there?
To be honest, it's been kind of a rough day. Just kidding. I'm great.
Come here.
African gray, a medium-sized parrot of the genus Psittacus with a light gray body and a red tail.
I love you. Bye.